The Australian summer. It's hot. The heat can be relentless. And when winter sets in, the outdoor environment becomes brisk, cold and unforgiving. As the days get shorter, keeping warm and cosy inside is essential. Heating and cooling your home is simple with Daikin, and it takes just 4 easy steps to get the best air anywhere. Step 1. Deciding on which system will suit your needs, home and budget. Start by visiting the Daikin website to research our product range. For a quick overview on different types of air conditioning systems available from Daikin, watch the quick How to Choose the Right System video. At Daikin, we sell through our specialist dealer network to ensure that you receive expert advice and the best possible solution for your home. The Daikin Specialist Dealer page on our website lets you search our database of over 450 dealers to find one nearest you. Step 2. Once you've made contact with one of our Daikin Specialist dealers, they'll organise a day and time convenient for you to personally come to your home and assess your needs and requirements. You're in good hands with our dealers. With their specialised knowledge and customer-focused approach, they will ensure that you are purchasing the right system for your home and unique lifestyle. Step 3. The installation process is simple, easy and stress-free. The Daikin Specialist dealer will look after everything from start to finish, so you can carry on with the more important things. Step 4. You can now enjoy the benefits of your new Daikin lifestyle with a 5-year warranty, superior after-sales service and ongoing support, as we are always here to help you enjoy the best air anywhere.